What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage coming to you tonight. It's dark outside. It's getting late. I'm here at the auction checking out a few cars, and I ran across this extremely rare beauty. You're probably thinking, Joe, it's a Toyota. Whoop-de-doo. It is missing its passenger mirror. It is a Sienna van. Yeah. Woohoo! I hope it's got juice. Please have juice. Oh, yeah. 222,000 miles. And this son of a gun is loaded. It's got everything. Sunroof, TVs, heated seats, the nav, I guess backup camera. Let's see. Yep. And look what's behind me. LX470. Can you see that? Yeah, it's going to be expensive. It has really low miles. It's going to be too much. I'm not even going to look at it. But these vans right here, Siennas never show up at auction. Never. Ever, ever, ever. I don't know what people do with them. They either keep them forever, hand them down to other kids or family members, or hell, I don't know what they do. This is the first one I've seen traded in here at the auction in forever, especially a limited with all these options like this with the wood steering wheel and the nav. And now I didn't look down the passenger side. It could be completely sideswiped for all I know, but I will say, so far, so good. This thing is pure velvet. Lexus made a minivan. This is it right here, man. God, the steering reminds me of the LS430. Golly, it feels just like it. Good old 3.5 engine out of the what is that, the 2GRFE or something like that, straight out of the ES350, about 270 horse. Just smooth. 222,000, it feels like 22,000 miles, and I'm not joking. This thing is pure honey. Slicker than owl shit. Oh man, this thing's nice. And there's no amount of money that's going to be able to buy it tomorrow. The only way it can be bought tomorrow is if that passenger side is sideswiped. It's got 222 on it. Yeah, a little high, but no, not really. We know realistically that's no miles for this. And this thing's clean. We're not talking trashed leather. Let's see if we got some working doors. I don't know how to run the doors on these because I'm not familiar with the... Where's your damn automatic doors on these things, guys? Oh, they're up here. Oh man, everything is working. Good, good, good. Oh, look how clean this thing is. Got the headphones, 2 of them. Factory DVD. Leather is clean. Carpet is clean. This is not a beat up van. Nice Michelin tires. Yeah, this is a nice Sienna. It really is. Man. Uh-oh. Okay. You just give it a push and it goes. Pretty cool. Well, not sideswipe, but definitely got the mirror. That's a little scuff right there. And they put some tape over the wiring, so that was smart to protect that. So it's going to need an actual passenger mirror fitted and installed. Find you a black one at the junkyard. Oh, we got the tow pack from U-Haul. Doesn't look like it's been used very much though. The insert still has a lot of black paint. Doesn't look like it's had a lot of receiver hitches slid in and out of it. So uphill and laying rubber right now. Man, got freezing AC. I bet this has got a pretty good radio.
At the electric BMW Road Home Sales Event, and turn the holidays from hectic to electric.
Sounds good. Let's see. Oh, we have power folding mirrors. Really? Huh. Well, we only have one mirror to power fold. All right, officially dark here at the auction. This will be my last one because y'all not going to be able to see crap. But I ran up on this thing and just had to do it. You never see a Sienna at auction. Never. I mean, if you do, it's old and it's beat down. This one's pretty nice, and it's a trade-in back at the Toyota dealership. So it probably was traded for maybe a new Sienna or a new Sequoia or something, you know. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys with the next one. Oh, I have no mirror to look out of on the other side. Peace.